100 plus pair Jordan. Closet build.
It's your homeboy Mag 357 Guns. Get into the shoe closet situation. This has been a long time coming. The official date that it was finished was August 15th because it took me, like I say, 2.5, almost 3 months to get this done. Building it, taking a break, and let my body react to, like I say, doing this hard labor. This stuff ain't easy. I just didn't go out and buy it and had it pre-cut or whatever. I went and did it myself. And then once that was done, I had to hand paint it with a brush and stuff like that. Paint the walls a different color. Make the braces, all that kind of stuff. Again, what you're getting ready to see is a bunch of Jordans. I mean a bunch of them. I got 2 of them that spilled out right here. Okay, so without further ado, here we go. Boom. For those of you who just want the stuff to get over with, boom, look at it. You don't see nothing, do you? You don't see nothing. Just look at it, and then you can leave. Other than that, I put this together by myself. No help whatsoever from nobody else. I got free wood from a job that I was working at. Put those wood slats to work with hand saw, back and forth situation. Caught cramps in the middle of this heat, the whole 9. And this is what the thing looked like. So, we're gonna start it off. I don't know if you can see all of it. This rod right here goes into that hole right there. It goes into this spot right here. So that's the next step, is getting the clothes put back in. So what started my whole collection off is this right here. This is a Jordan 1 Holiday 2012. And if it ain't 2012, it's an 11. Now, I've been collecting these shoes ever since 2019. Alright? So that's not that long. So anyway, up top, Jordan 1 metallic silver, bread. You see that one? Jordan 1, let me bring that one to you. And it's got that, ooh. It's got that. There's another Jordan 1. This is like it's a little black and red, simple black and red, nothing mid with the Jumpman on the back. I kind of like it with the Jumpman on the back. Jordan 1 low, Jordan 1 fat low. This is a tribute to the 13 with that perforation on the side. Let me get up in there and let you see that perforation. That shit glows. Jordan 1 blue metallic infrared. The infrared is that pink color on the what is it called? The wings. I see now that this is gonna be a task. Jordan 1 metallic black and white. Jordan 1 gray, cool gray. Jordan 1 Kawhi Leonard when he was with the Spurs. Jordan 1 2002 chrome. Jordan 1 triple white. Okay. All right, that's not the end of the ones. Golly. Let's go back. So that's a Jordan 1 Holiday that popped it off. Jordan 1 red. Look at that look at that swoosh. Got that elephant print on that boy. Red with the gray accents. Jordan 1 fat low. Red and white. Jordan 1 fat low with the original laces. I don't know why I got a double up of it. I was supposed to sell it. Didn't get a chance to just yet. Jordan 1 fat low. This is Jordan 1 version 1. I got the laces to it, but I'm finna redo the blue on it. That's gotta be redone on that one. Jordan 2 low, Chicago, red and white. Jordan 2, this is the Carmelo Anthony version. It's in the process of getting restored. Let me switch arms. God. Jordan 2 infrared cement, I think that's what they call this one. Jordan 3 pure money. You see it's got to get that. I'm going to have to take all that white off the bottom and redo it. Let's go back. Jordan 3 black, what do they call that? Black reflective. It's a Lab 3. Jordan 5 Lab 3. Yeah. Jordan 5 Lab 3 black. Jordan 3 Cyber Monday. Jordan 4 pure money. This is a Jordan 5 fire red with the reflective tongue, just in case you wanted to know. These are the pre-grapes. The pre-grapes. These are the one that came out before the grapes. But the grapes that we know that's white and purple and stuff, those are the official ones that Will Smith wore, so they got more popular. These were the pre-grapes before those grapes. These are supposed to be grapes. Jordan 5 Stealth. Oh, you already know about the green beans. It's got a little probably problem right there, but it'll be all right. Jordan 6 Motorsport. Jordan 6 Lakers. Why do you call it the Laker colorway? Because it's got the purple and yellow stitching on it. It's got a few things that need fixing on it. No problem for me. I just had to make sure I got my closet built first. And we're going to work on every one that need to be restored. I'm going to put a little tag on each one and go through them and fix them. And do videos like this. So, Jordan 7, let me move this out the way. Jordan 7 Orion. Jordan 7 sweaters. Jordan 7 Orlando Magic Tribute. You can tell because of that, the little stitching and stuff on it. Jordan 7 Cardinal. It's in the process of getting this one, and this one are all in the process of getting restored. These are the Bugs Bunnies. And look at I got a damn deal on these. These are not soggy, not sticky at all, very wearable. Jordan 8 hairs, Bugs Bunny, whatever you want to call those. The Aquas, same thing. Really, really good plastic on it. I added the purple laces on that junk. These are the Statue of Liberties. They're going to need the icy bottom right here. Yeah, I got the stuff for it. It's around here somewhere. I ain't going to show you what it is. But they're in the process. As you can already see, I did some stuff. I got to add the dots and then add the clear coat. Hit this junk with that the Soul Brightener and get that back white. Same thing with these. These are the Jordan 9 Statue of Liberties. Or Spirits. That's what they call these. Jordan 9 Space Jam. You know what I'm saying? They have a little white need to be right there. They need a second coat. City Pack Charlotte Hornet 10. Let's go back down. Jordan 10 Infrared. City Pack Jordan 10 New York with the NYC on the side. Jordan 10 right here, double nickel 45 on the side of it. These boys need help. Hashitashi. We're going to have to give you an exorcism. But we're going to glue them back together and get them back right there. You know, you see them. And you know I got the stuff that go on them that makes them be right again. So that video's coming up sometime soon. Okay? We should do our hard work first, which would be these. Because it's the most unglued. I don't even want to talk about it no more. Taxis. Taxi 12s. Mothballs. Get you some. Keep the bugs out of your stuff.
Please see Part 2.